This video, we will explain to everyone vMix USB serial port connects to Tally Light. 4 models support serial ports. The first USB 4 Pro. The last 3 require a dedicated black serial data cable. LAN 8 plus USB. TX Pro-vMix. ATEM12 Pro plus USB. These 4 launch boxes are connected via serial port, same method. Taking USB 4 Pro transmitter as an example. Firstly, connect the USB 4 Pro transmitter. Connect to vMix computer. It will light up the self-test signal. The computer will prompt to install the driver. At this moment, new device discovered displayed in the bottom right corner of the computer. First, open this computer. Right-click on the attribute. Find Device Manager. CP2102 is a Tally transmitter. The exclamation mark in front represents that the driver is not installed. At this point, go download the driver. Open the browser. Enter www.sdlxvip. Press Enter to continue. There is a download center here. Click on Software Download. Find vMix Core Image Data Cable Driver. Click to download. Open compressed file. Find that the CP210 suffix is x64. Double-click to install. Next step. Accept the next step. Installation completed. Now I'll check it out. Find CP210X in the port. Indicating successful installation. We need to pay special attention to the tail number. The suffix here is COM33. Close. Close. Open vMix. Drag the materials in. Click on the gear in the bottom right corner of number 1. Find Tally lamp settings. Find the COM33 Tally number from the port and select one. Connected here lights up in green. Indicates successful connection. And so on. Find the gear in serial number 2. Video acceleration. The settings are now complete. I'll operate the switch. Number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8. We found the Tally light will not light up again after the 7th. We need to find the settings in the upper right corner. Find Tally lamp. There are a total of 16 numbers here. We need to find the 7th. Based on the number 6 and so on. 12, 13. On the 7th, we will mark 14 and 15. 14, 15. Click Confirm. 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, and so on. Video acceleration. Finally click Confirm. Need to restart vMix. Save and close. Reopen vMix. Click on the 7th now. Everyone can see that the 7th has already lit up. Click on green 8, green 9, green 10, green 11, green 12. Let me switch operations. Now open the layer. Taking 1234 as an example. Layer 1 added. Layer 2 added. Layer 3 added. Layer 4 added. Green 5. Now the tally lights are on 6 times.